Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 26. Others also, not knowing this, worship, having heard of it from others. They too cross beyond death if they would regard what they have heard as their supreme refuge.
अन्ये द्वेवम् अजानन्तः श्रुत्वान्येभ्य उपासते तेऽपि च अधितरन्त्येव मृत्युं श्रुतिपरायणाः.
Chapter 13, Shloka 26. In the last shloka, we saw that seekers with the noblest sattvic qualities need only practice meditation. Those with slight sattvic temperament, with a lot of agitations, must develop steadiness through the study and reflection. Those who are suffering from worst mental restlessness due to the Vyasa disturbances must, through karma yoga, develop sattvic traits, refine them through reflection, and then gain enough sattvic dynamism and steady meditation. A path is prescribed for those too who are completely steeped in tamas, that is, mental and intellectual inertia, which is explained now. Such people can evolve though they are ignorant of the paths, if only they worship the principle of truth on the strength of what they have heard from others. If such people are capable of constantly worshipping the Lord as they have been instructed by other devotees, they too can transcend the finite life of plurality and experience the changeless. They too can cross beyond death. Death means change, or the total principle of change as experienced by the human mind and intellect. As long as we identify with the body, gross, subtle, or causal, we are in the realm of change, the finite. To experience the infinite is to enter the status of immortality beyond the reach of death, for which refuge in the Supreme is essential. The efficacy of prayer and worship is explained, but in the practice of worship, correct knowledge shall provide a better guarantee of success. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.